All is well, always think positive, will get everything successing. I'm doing all type of water point method. If you pray Varagi Amman, everything will get. Motor removing refixing work will do in Bangalore limits. Any type of jeep work will do in Bangalore limits. Gas borewell, robo borewell, everything available. Rod cleaning machine is available up to 700 feet. In robo 1500 feet we can drill in Bangalore limits. Borewell cleaning, recharge, silt removing, desilting, everything will do. This is called map dowsing. We can find out water point easily. Before start the work, I will collect my charges in beginning itself. This is called geolocator machine, very useful for everyone. Try to subscribe this channel. So many type of borrow work videos there. All type of purchasing, selling we are undertaking. Camera scanning also available for selling service also. Try to subscribe my channel. If you already subscribed, share to others. All type of jeep work will do in Bangalore limits. Any work no problem. Site inspection method 90% will be confirmed. Please try. If you send like this one photo, we can find out map housing water pipe. This is Brahma temple in Hosur. Please visit once. This temple in Udumalipettai. Please visit once. Powerful Rangoli. If you do this one, will get tension reduced. Online water plant system following this instrument I am using myself. Any type of stuck motor we are trying to remove and refixing in Bangalore limits. Borewell scanning is available in Bangalore limits any place, anytime. Like this, all type of borewell works A to Z will do in Bangalore limits. Coconut is the best instrument for find out water plant. This is few instrument for doing water plant in Bangalore. Customer can realize from my borewell water plant. Mummurti Rangoli, this is very powerful. Few type of instrument using borewell water plant. Like this, so many items there for doing water plant. Water has to come. That is important. This is called rod cleaning. Up to 700 feet we can do it. Borewell instrument I am having, I am using. This is scientific method. Mr. Ramesh, geologist. Traditional method J. Selvaraj, online water pointer. Borehole scanning full set is available. Customer realization is important for me. This is Palani in Tamil Nadu, Muruga temple, famous one. Borewell hose cleaning lorry up to 1200 feet. Motor removing, refixing, stuck motor removing, everything will do. I am satisfying my job as per God wishes. Point is checked in Hosur Brahma temple nearby. Try to subscribe my channel, please. This is Arani in Tamil Nadu, my house. This is our puja room in Arani, Tamil Nadu. J. Selvaraj, online water point founder. J. Selvaraj can do map dowsing also. Site inspection method I have done in Tumkur. We can do professional job in borewell work. Site inspection method, borehole water point. Robo drilling machine support lorry. Geolocator machine. Map dowsing sketch. Map dowsing I can do from my house itself. Unbelievable customer. If you send like this photo, we can tell you water details about. Try to subscribe my channel. This is called Varagi Amman, very powerful god. Pray once. Borewell cleaning machine. Borewell cleaning machine. Camera scanning machine for sale available. Camera scanning machine with recording without recording available. Jai Prakash, my assistant now. Geolocator machine, it will show you the depth on water, how much is coming. All type of borehole works will do in Bangalore limits. Try to call us. All is well, all is well. Believe in God, everything is possible. This is called pendulum. It will do more job. If you send like this photo, we can find out whether water is there or not. Geolocator machine is useful for everyone, anyone can use. I am using this machine for second opinion for checking water point. This is my father, V.S. Janardhanan. This is my father, V.S. Janardhanan. Party Hanapura is good.